Hey Paul, gonna open a bunch of mystery pack I got from eBay. I paid like $10. They should be a mixture of mostly Hall of Famers. Let's see, kind of cool. Everything's good seal. Got a Max card. Already Jose. Don't know much about his first breath. Second year card. 87 tops. Hall of Famer. Ozzie Smith. It was a player. A Leaf. 1991 Leaf. Bings. Kind of weird how this side. I say kind of twist. Kind of weird difference. DH. Hall of Famer. Score. 1991 score. 87 All-Star Mike Spitz. Jack Morris, Hall of Famer. This is a 82. I wish our was real. I wish Hall of Famer Dennis Eckersley, 87 tops. Jose Canseco, minor league star. Oh, what year this is? 10 out of 11. Kind of cool. Willie Rufford, I really don't know much about this guy. All-Star, Don Russ. Joe Carter, should be a Hall of Famer, in my opinion. Joe Smokes, Hall of Famer. 80 of 91. Leaf. Lewis Brooks, Hall of Famer, I think. A rookie, 88. It's kind of cool. Mark McGuire, 20th anniversary best. Pops. Kind of pretty. Dave Winfield, 88 tops. Hall of Famer. Milestone. We broke the game record. Yeah. Tim Raines, a Hall of Famer. Should be Hall of Famer. Roger Clemens is with the Yankees. No, it's not, I'm sorry. Yeah, Roger Clemens. February versus. Oh, I see his little stats thing, a little different. Got confused. Got Will Clark, one of my favorite Giants. Yeah, the guy, Tony Quinn. Thanks for like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe someday I'll be better doing this. You know what you think. Thanks for watching.